If you're planning an international move from Los Angeles, you're probably asking one big question. How do I get everything overseas without the process turning into a full-time job? An international move from LA is not just about putting boxes on a truck. You have pickup logistics, building access, export paperwork, freight scheduling, customs requirements, and delivery planning on the other side. And in Los Angeles, you also have to think about port traffic, high-rise building rules, service windows, and sometimes tight access at hillside homes. That is where working with an experienced international moving company matters. At SDC International Shipping, the process is built to be door-to-door. That means your move is planned from the first survey all the way through overseas delivery. Instead of trying to coordinate multiple vendors yourself, you have one team managing packing, freight booking, export documentation, customs guidance, and final delivery planning. From Los Angeles, most ocean shipments move through the Port of Los Angeles or the Port of Long Beach. Time-sensitive shipments can also go out through LAX. The right option depends on your timeline, your shipment size, and your budget. Larger households often make the most sense in a dedicated container. Smaller moves may be better in a shared container. And if you need essentials faster, air freight can be the right fit. This kind of planning is especially important in Los Angeles. Downtown high-rises may need elevator reservations and certificates of insurance. Gated communities may have narrow delivery windows. Hillside properties can affect truck access. When those details are handled early, move day is smoother and costly surprises are less likely. Let's say you're moving from Santa Monica to Europe. You have a 2-bedroom household, a few time-sensitive essentials, and artwork that needs extra protection. A clear plan might look like this: professional packing at origin, sea freight for the main shipment, air freight for essentials, custom protection for fragile items, and customs document support before the shipment even leaves Los Angeles. If your housing dates do not line up perfectly, storage can also be built into the plan. And one important note: if you are moving a vehicle, SDC only ships vehicles when they are containerized with household goods, not as a standalone car-only shipment. A successful international move from Los Angeles starts with a realistic plan. The right company helps you choose the right shipping method, prepares you for customs, and manages the local Los Angeles logistics that can easily slow a move down. If you're moving overseas from Los Angeles, contact SDC International Shipping for a personalized plan and quote. Call 877-339-0267 or visit sdcinternationalshipping.com.